Right, a bit of a big deal today. Taking the bike out for a little ride, but unlike normal, I'm going to have company. I am. The missus is going to join me, but before I set off, it's probably the only time I really put the back pannier on. I really feel a lot safer with it on when I've got a pillion. It sort of sandwiches them between me and the pannier, and they can't go back and they can't go forward. So I'll stick this on. There we go. So they got a nice seat there, and they got a rest on the back as well. And we're going to go for well, probably be out for most of the day. So why don't you hop on, Suze? Put the pegs out. I always sit on the bike before I usually let the passenger get on, but I thought purely for video purposes we're going to do it this way. So wish me luck. We're going to be out for most of the day, and catch you on the next video. Usual thumbs up and subscribe, please.